So it's me again, Jay from J.Crypto. So before I get to the news, first things first, we're gonna take care of the major indicators. First one, 10-year yield. Oh my God, come on, update. Oh, okay. So yeah, it did go up slightly from yesterday. Yesterday it was like 1.59, and now it's 1.64. So expect that slight rise to put a little bit pressure in the market, or maybe to slow it down in terms of the rise. Next one is the dollar index. Boom. All right. So it did go up slightly as well. So that, along with the 10-year yield going up, it's definitely going to put pressure in the market. Next one, we have crude oil prices. So crude oil is basically their important piece when it comes to making money, because a lot of products are used from oil. So if the price of oil goes up, then they're going to get more money when they're selling these products, right? Then yeah, you can see that went up 2%. That's pretty big. All right, so moving forward, we have the Fed meeting. So yeah, today specifically, the Fed is meeting around 2:30 p.m. They're going to be on TV. Just understand that whenever the Fed is talking, or when they show up on TV, the market will always go up prior to, so that way when like, you know, those numbers are being shown, it's showing green, not red. These guys don't like that. So the pattern is, before they get to in TV, they usually pull the market down and then they prop it back up leading up to that moment. And this week also we have CME future Bitcoin and Ethereum contracts expiring. So on the days leading up to Friday is definitely gonna go down. Now here's the stuff that I want to talk about. So the Fed's policy interest rate remains close to zero, which is why we're getting all this like free money going into the market. When this thing does rise in terms of the interest rate, expect the market to taper down, because they're going to need that money to, you know, offset that interest rate going up. In addition, the Fed is buying, oh, you see that? SDMX. The Fed is buying 120 billion of assets per month to support the economy. That means they're putting in the market, okay? And where they're getting that money from, I don't know. Maybe they're printing it. And it's the first step to remove this accommodation will be for the Fed to taper these purchases. Economists think a decision to taper is months away, although a minority think that the Fed might start discussing the issue in June. June is a very important month, as a lot of events are happening that month. It could be the month where where they get the news of where the market is going to go in the second half of the year. And if they're gonna slow down the amount of money going to the market, then of course expect the bear market to start around June. We don't know yet until they say so. Okay, so Fed officials have said they want to see substantial further progress in meeting their goals of full employment, ooh, conspiracy, and 2% inflation before tapering. Boom. So as you can see, the narrative is basically they're going to prop it up, and then somewhere around in the middle of the year, they might start tapering it down. That is the current narrative right now, so follow that until something else happens. All right, so moving forward, I'm not going to get too into detail with that. Biden. So as I've stated yesterday, Biden has that proposed 1.8 trillion families plan, and he's going to be making that speech today at 9 p.m. Now remember the last time he said something about the tax hike, the whole entire marketplace went down like 30 or 40%. So expect the market to behave in similar ways when this guy shows up on TV. And it follows in line with the CME future contracts expiring, because those guys are the biggest manipulators in space, and they will pull the market on the days leading up to it. So this guy's speech is basically the catalyst to that. Oh my God, it's... Oh, there we go. I got frozen there. Anyways, talking more about this families plan. So Biden plans to present 1.8 trillion proposal, the White House says, which includes spending on childcare, paid family leave, and free community college. So now people are getting free education. That's very important because, well, past year, the education system has been hit because of the C word. I can't say it because YouTube will flag me. So yeah, definitely expect a lot of these blockchain projects to be supporting education towards, of course, kids. And just yesterday too, I also shared a video on how Cardano, IOHK, they're supporting Africa, mainly Ethiopia, and when it comes to the education system. So these blockchain companies are definitely going to be a big player in the game. And of course, going into the fourth industrial revolution where blockchain is the thing, it only makes sense. Okay, now let's look at how they're going to break down this 1.8 trillion. The family's plan is split between 1 trillion in new spending. Who knows what could they be, what they could buy, and 800 billion in tax credits. It follows Biden's proposal of a 2.3 trillion infrastructure package. Okay, that's definitely going into the market, man. That's definitely going to help build the fourth industrial revolution. No doubt about it. So I'm not going to get into this. So like if you guys want to read this, this is the title. Just understand that when the speech happens, just look at the market, look at it get pulled down. I'm expecting for that to happen. I could be wrong. Okay, moving forward, we have Facebook. All right. Facebook used the pandemic to develop non-advertising business while ad money kept pouring in. Which makes sense because, if these businesses are locked down, they got to pivot and find other ways to, advertise themselves, their products and service. So Facebook getting more money just makes more sense. Facebook in the age of COVID-19, as Apple targets business model with iOS update. Remember what I said about Apple yesterday? How they're partnering up with 1inch, which is a decentralized exchange. They're going to be one of the players when it comes to mass adoption. Those people that have Apple products are definitely going to be seeing a lot of 1inch advertising. And of course, it's just natural for them to get into it and buy the native token. And one thing I want to emphasize is that all these exchanges have their own native token, and it does have utility. One of that utility is you're able to swap it for a certain coin that they offer in their marketplace. So definitely look into that. Facebook has more fully developed its e-commerce and ARVR ambitions. Now moving to the fourth industrial revolution, where a good majority of the humans are going to be stuck inside because of like the C word, they're going to need a lot of things to entertain them. Otherwise, they're going to go nuts. So augmented reality, virtual reality is definitely going to be one of those things to help entertain the masses. So that way they're not going crazy. And let's see. In terms of Facebook okay, so credit Facebook's concerted effort to move beyond its core social networks to become the center of social media, gaming, messaging, and AR, VR. All good places to be as, oh man, I think I said this, well, whatever, COVID-19, whatever, they can flag me, I don't care anymore, I already said it. Accelerated growth in all four markets. Non-advertising revenue was particularly focused on Zuckerberg's during the company's earnings call in late January. While advertising accounted for 98% of Facebook's quarterly revenue, holy sh, that's a lot. Other revenues such as Oculus VR headset and portable video chatting devices soared 156% to 885 million. So you can see there's a lot of money pouring into the AR/VR industry. And one thing I want to say about where Facebook is heading to is that they want to be the go-to place for anything. whether you want to buy something, you want to rent a place, you want to chat, you want to form a group, Facebook is that place. And they also have their own crypto, which is called Facebook I think Diem, or yeah, I think it's called Diem now. It used to be called Libra before, but they pivoted. But anyways, that's going to be their native token, and yeah, expect people in the future to be using this token to basically do business within Facebook. Now, there is also another company that is similar to that's already done it, and it's WeChat from China. WeChat is basically the app for anything. Well, it's like the Kijiji, the Airbnb, the Uber, the Facebook, because it has its own chatting. You can do your banking in there, everything. And yeah, expect Facebook to be calculating your social credit score as well. So definitely be watching out what you're saying in social media, especially for people like me. So I'm not gonna read too much about this. Moving forward, one gem that I want to share with you guys is this TerraVirtua. These guys are already big in the NFT place. They have a lot of items in store already. I'm gonna give you guys a quick rundown of their website. So yep, collectibles, digital art, which is NFTs. As you can see, yeah, oh man, look at all these art. And their marketplace too. Oh, come on. See, look at all that. You can display all these in your virtual world to other people. So like if you want to get this thing, this dragon, or for $50, yeah, you can display that, and then you can show off to your friends and family. You're like, oh look, I got some cool shit. All right, so let's see here. Moving forward, TerraVirtua. This is their update coming this late April. So this update is basically regarding NFTs and their software. I don't want to read this whole thing. I want to show you guys their roadmap, which is the most important part, because I'm going to piece something. All right, so this is the roadmap for this year. If you want to see where the company plans to go with their project, definitely look at the roadmap as well as their Medium page. Most of them have a Medium where they blog about their updates and stuff. Number one thing I want to point out is this VR fan cave launch, and that's happening in this quarter. So yeah, just expect for this to go up. Now if we're looking at the charts, Jason, all right, I already spoke about that. Okay, so I do have a Discord channel as well for crypto. It's free to join. I will definitely place the link in the description. And yeah, before I get to that, I want to show you guys this. This is Discord channel. Yeah, you can request for charts on specific project in here as well. So chart, let me look up TerraVirtua TVK BUSD. Let's analyze this chart here. Do a quick analysis, not too technical. All right, nice. I already showed you. Anyways, the peak of this is at $1.20, and this happened in March. It's descended down to like almost close to 30 cents because of Biden's speech, but now it's going back up again. So it's not a perfect bottom, but it's definitely going back up to $1.20 again, and it's at 52 cents right now. So it's not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. You know, do your own research on this, but this is definitely something to pay attention to. Okay, and I think that's all I have for you. I'll have more updates on other projects, and if you guys want specific updates on certain projects, just comment below, and yeah, I'll start making some videos on it, because I got a lot of projects to talk about in the pipeline. So yeah, thank you guys for listening. Just press like and subscribe as well, help me out, and yeah, expect for more updates to come. Thank you so much.